Hey guys, this is Mel from the Darth Mels, bringing you guys another lightsaber review. We hope everyone is doing well. Today we're going to bring you a TXQ Obi-Wan Episode 1 Saber review and somewhat open box and show you guys what you get. We think this might be the best Obi-Wan Saber out there for the money and quality kind of combination. So we'll get right into it, give you guys a closer look to see what's in the box. Alright, so this Saber does come with the collection Saber box. And in this box will include some timing shims and a tool, your charging cord, instruction manual, obviously your Neopixel blade, comes with your blade plug, the Saber nicely packaged in the bubble wrap, and a stand, which is pretty typical type stand. So yeah, that's everything that would be included in your order from TXQ Sabers on this Obi-Wan Episode 1 hilt. Here's an up close look at this hilt. Again, seems to be a very nice high quality piece like an 89 Sabers. Nice vented pommel. This is your typical 2-button aux and power switch, which we'll get into, but definitely high quality looking saber and feel up close. All right, so we've already established, I think this is a very high quality 89 Sabers looks to be type of hilt and quality and finish, which again feels great in the hand, very sturdy, heavy. Now let's get into the electronics. All right guys, I just want to give you a little background on the TXQ electronics. They use the InShot. This was their standard board, which has a lot of unique features on it. They have several, sound fonts that are pretty unique and cool to their own soundboard. Again, it's not customizable. But more recently, in the last month or so, they came out with a customized InShot with an SD card, which I have not tried to customize any sound fonts or features or anything of that nature. But just know that is out there an option. So you can purchase the Saber for about $230 right now with the InShot, and that is their board. And you can also purchase it for about $335, I believe it is, for Proffie. So this one currently that I have, since it's a little bit older, it just has the original stock, which again, those are some great sound fonts. I recommend you checking out my Ghost lightsaber video, and you can see some of those sound fonts. In this hilt, the setup is obviously more like your thin neck kind of saber, where you have an upper piece installed in the emitter. And again, depending on what you order, the Proffie or the InShot, you pull this guy out. Has the nice charging port on the bottom. And here is the one that comes with the Obi-Wan, where it basically plugs in and it has kind of a grip or handle on the back. Just line up basically the pattern, pop it in there, and there she goes. All right, so we can go through a few of these stock sound fonts and features, and you guys can take a look at that and see what you think. Darth Maul, some that you know and some maybe you don't know.
Dark Sith Red. Electric Essence.
Electric Essence. So this Obi-Wan definitely has multiple different types of sound fonts and blade styles and blade ignitions. So I will turn one on for you now, and you can take a quick look at it.
Are you a Jedi?
Are you a Jedi?
General Kenobi.
General Kenobi.
Skywalker.
For Darth Maul. Great smooth swing. Of course, it has your LED lights inside of the emitter. Your Clash on Flash. lock up. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys some of these features in low light. Keep in mind, if you hit the aux button or hold it for 2 seconds, you will change your blade style. And if you hold the power button for 2 seconds, you're going to change your ignition style. Wave. And we'll change the sound font. Darth Maul. So this is what the wave looks like. Want to see rainbow? 1, 2.
Dark Sith Red.
Dark Sith Red. This is my favorite ignition style. This is fire. As you can see, the pattern of the pulse. Here's the cross, which is one of my favorite blade styles, with basically the Rancor sound font. This is the Sobulba, basically Pod Racer sound font, one of my favorites. Here's all your ignition styles. Here's 2. My favorite. Here's the 3rd one. Just your typical. Here's the next ignition style. With the rainbow blade.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
One of my favorite ignition styles. You hold the aux button and you turn to change color to get Kylo to this blue, Kylo in yellow. There he is in red. Great color change. Darth Maul with music. If you want to change the color of Darth Maul, you hold the aux button, you turn, cycle through colors: blue Darth Maul, green, white, purple Darth Maul, yellow Darth Maul, and then back to red. And again, if we want to keep this, we turn it off and now change the blade style. 1, 2.
Unstable.
Unstable. Maul, we want a little more unstable. Let's check it out. A beautiful hilt with beautiful sound fonts. So that was just some of the features I tried to bring you to show the overall electronic quality besides the amazing hilt that we discussed. Very impressed with TXQSABER hilts, and this is just to show you some of the cool things that their electronics are capable of doing. Again, different blade styles, different sound fonts, different ignition styles. They play music, they have color change on a lot of options. Very cool. Alright guys, so this is a no-brainer for me. TXQ Sabers hit a home run. This saber is 230. You can't get this 89 Sabers kind of hilt empty for around, it's over $200. And you get a blade plug, electronics, all these sound fonts, features, blade styles, ignition styles. And if you put a Proffie board in here, then you're talking about it only being $335. And most 89 Sabers hilts with Proffie boards are, you're talking at least $600. I just think TXQ Sabers is really the best quality for the money. If you hold it in your hand, you'll feel like you're Obi-Wan. It is the real deal. So far, I have completely trusted in their customer service and all their products. Subscribe. Please give me feedback. If you think there's something better out there than this Obi-Wan for this quality and this money, please let me know. I would love to hear that. Or any other saber that you feel is similar to this quality and of this standard. The Darth Mills thanks you for watching. We hope everyone's doing well. Have a great day, guys. From the Darth Mills.